Today I will tell you something about reading skill. You see, how to read. That is also important. We should know the technicalities of reading. People, when they were kids, they used to read by alphabets. Everybody knows that thing. And as they grow older, when they become elder persons, they read by line. Some of them they can just glance some of the things. So that is reading. Reading is you grasp the thing. That is reading. So as we become older, I mean from kid to adult, we have that skill subconsciously, passively developed by which we can read faster. Now it varies from person to person. You see, some have very high reading skills in the sense they can read at much faster rate. Similarly, when kids, some of them can read comparatively faster than the other kids. Now, what are the technicalities involved in reading? First and foremost, it is the eye, the peripheral vision. We read by peripheral vision. When you see one word, you should be able to see two words on left and right. So that should be an average fixation of an average reader. A person having average reading speed should be able to see two words on the left and two words on the right. So you fix your eye in the center of the word, the middle word, and you are able to see two words on the left and two words on the right. That means you have got an average reading speed. This is what the researchers says. Now you should be reading by jumps. So when you are able to see two words on the right, and mostly our eyes goes from left to right, except that you are reading Urdu and all. So when your eyes move from left to right, at that time, you jump after two words. So after two words, you see the next fixation, the third word. And then after two words, you see the next fixation. So this is how it goes. Now, for example, there may be 8 words or 10 words in a line. Then what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to fix only at two places in a line. It's not you are reading by word to word the 8 words. You are fixing your eyes to the 8 words. No, it's not like that. You have to read in two fixation, right? So two words on the left and two words on the right. One word you are looking at. Now from there you will jump to another word. There are also two words left and two words right. So you can see a chunk of 5 words. A chunk of 5 words. That is 10 words. Now in this 10 words line, you are supposed to look at two fixation, right? So this is how you read it. So in one line, two fixation, then you shift your eye fixation to the second line. There also you will fix your eye at two spots only. And remaining words you read by peripheral vision. For example, I'm looking here in the front, but still I can see something on my left and right hand side. That is called peripheral vision. So we read by peripheral vision. Now in order to understand this technique, try to tell your friend to look at you when you read. He will find that you are jumping your eyes twice only for reading one line. That means you are an average reader having average speed. Some of those people who have very fast, quicker reading speed, they have got one fixation. In one fixation, they can read complete line. Some people have one fixation, complete small paragraphs of 3 or 4 lines. Vivekananda had one fixation to complete page, and that is how he used to read the book at a much quicker speed. So it is by eyes that you read and not by mouth. Second thing, most of us, try to vocalize when we read silently. There is a lip movement. That is wrong technique. Your lips should not move because your speed of speaking is less compared to your speed of eyes. When you do eye reading, it is much faster rate compared to when you do reading by your mouth, a loud reading. So this is the second thing that you have to understand, that when you are doing silent reading, you are looking and grasping the things. You are not repeating the pronunciation. You are just grasping the concept by looking at. So you'll be able to read faster. And this is the skill that is required in PISA reading skills, because there are much longer paragraphs for higher level, for 11th and 12th class. So those students, they should be able to read a complete long passage within a quicker, shorter time. And they can do it only if they have high reading speed. So children, don't vocalize. Don't try to read by mouth, but try to read by eyes. Have fixations. Have jumps of fixations. Third thing is scan. It's not necessary that you read line to line. You can read in a zigzag manner.